Morning. It's Sunday morning again. Welcome to Shelley's Finds. It's 5:15. It's pitch black out there and we're off to Carboot. So let's go and see what we can find. Right, back from the Carboot. Oh, hey, not doing these early mornings. It's killing me. Anyway, we got this jacket. That's the Hackates of London. I think it's even F1 touring jacket. Labels are all on. It looks good. Lightweight. It's like sweatshirty. It's cotton sweatshirt material. So nice for the spring summer. Chuck on. I'll find somewhere to chuck these now. Next up, this is a tagged one. Let me show what that is. Land Rover. So it's new tagged. I thought, do you know what? Men especially like the cars. It's got a bit of a Christmassy thing going on there. It'll be alright. I think I worked out, I think I paid £2 for that. I worked out at the end, I spent £55, so I paid £273. No more than that for each item of these ones. Again, this one's got tags on it. It's Sinner. Misguided. So new tagged, ladies jeans. I'm up there. Small waist. But we do tend to be a bit smaller, don't we? So they'll fit, they should sell good simply because they're tagged. Next one up, this is the brand I like. It's Fat Face. So it's an older one. It's not the new label. Size 16. Quarter zip. Good condition. That should do alright too. Next up, with summer coming up, just got a load of t-shirts. So we've got the Burgowns, just like a mustard colour tee. It's got Burgowns on the back as well. But just need some summery things. I've got, as you know, I've got loads of coats. Got another pair of jeans here, which is Wrangler. Paid £2.50 for them. Now I have been trying, I think these might actually be men's. I thought they were women's. I did read, if the pockets are deep off, they tend to be women's. If the pockets are shallow, they're men's. This has got shallow pockets. It's really difficult to tell. Any other way of telling it, you know, put it in the description. In the comment box even. So yeah, nice pair of Wranglers, £2.50. Bargain. Well, let's stick with the jeans theme. This is a jacket by Calvin Klein. It's got the tags on as well. I didn't realise it got the tags on. Is it a jacket? Is it a shirt? It can be either. I thought it was quite nice as well. That might be the one that we did pay £4 for, but I've just averaged it out over everything. Yeah, so that's that one. Okay, what we've got here? I'll put them right way around. A pair of Adidas trainers. Not bad condition them, look. I'll give them a scrub. Well, it's not bad on bottom. Alright, I think they wanted £5, I got them for £4. Quite nice, I'd wear them. I'm trying to mix them up with whatever else I've got in here. Now, I'm not sure what these are. I never Adidas. I think they might be AstroTurf because they've not got the spikes on, but it is bobbly on the bottom, look. I've got 3 pairs for a tenner. I'll show you the others when I get to them. That's that one. I picked this up simply because I like it. It's fat face again. T-shirt, it's a shirt, smart shirt. And on the back. Well, that's quite nice for summer. Or is it my taste? But I thought for a bloke, it's quite nice. It's not large size. Cotton shirt. This one is again new with tags. And I'm not sure, like I said, when my boys were growing up, teenagers, they used to buy them Jack Wills. Not sure whether it's a thing now. It's big size. Dropping it. New with tags. And it's just a really nice item. So that's that one. Levi's. I've not got any Levi's. Everyone sells Levi's, but I've not got any, so now I've got Levi's. Legs are all right, look. So the 34. On the size of them. They look new. But whether they are, I need to research on the label. I didn't just get 1 pair, I got 2 pairs of Levi's. £4 each. Bargain. What they'll do. Same size. I'm not sure how much these are going on for, but I will. I've not got around to putting everything on my Instagram yet, but I'll leave a link down below for my Instagram and also for my, no, I won't put the eBay, but they will be on eBay and Vinted. But I'll put a link on Instagram, you can see how much I'm selling them for then. That'll be a bit better. Right, let's do some shoes. I'm nearly out of them. Adidas football boots. Now they are football boots, look. Even I know that one. I sold recently a pair of these for £18. I thought, right, bargain. These are part of the 3 for a tenner that I got. And the last pair of them. Again, I'm not sure whether these are actually rugby boots. So, don't look like football boots to me. You said the football, but I don't think they are. Yeah, the studs on bottom. I don't know. But they're alright. Again, part of the 3 for a tenner. That's last at 3 for a tenner. These I like. I bought these in charity shops, as you've seen on, if you've watched me in my videos. Hotter. Ladies' hotters. But look at the condition of them. Really good. £2. And then the last pair of hotter. Not quite my thing, but like new. It's barely worn then. I was going to smell them, but I'm not smelling other people's shoes until I've cleaned them. And then last but not least, whew, I like this. I need to do some research on it. It's by a brand called O'Neill. It's like a coat, it's a jacket, like a Crombie kind of jacket. It's so nice. Yeah, and turn it round and you've got the O'Neill and, like, as I said, a Crombie kind of bottom. As I call the old, like, fishtail mod Crombie thing, if you're my age. But I really like that. And she wanted £4 for it and I couldn't argue with that. It's a shame it won't fit me, I'd have kept that. I did keep the jacket from last week, by the way. I've still not researched it to see if it's real or fake, but I'm keeping it. Anyway, that's it. So, I've got coming up a kilo sale, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Until next time, love you lot. See you later.